Okay, for today's video, we're going to be installing the s.wolf soft luggage rack. Seems to be a pretty good built system. You don't necessarily need the soft rack luggage for some of the luggage systems, but I decided I wanted the extra mounting points and strap points that I could that come with this that you can use. The installation looks pretty straightforward. I mocked up this side already. There's going to be some spacers that go in here, but there's just two bolts that go into the existing luggage rack, and then there's this additional bracket that is going to go where the rear foot pegs are, and then that's going to bolt right there to itself. So I'm going to get that installation done. Of course, on the exhaust side, when you take this off, you just have to remember your exhaust is mounted there too, but you just need to get a little gap right there in order to be able to slide that bracket in. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. And here's the first side installed. A couple notes. Do not tighten all your bolts until you have it all lined up. And I would tighten these first, then these, and then these last. And one other note, there are washers. There's a short washer for the front with a short bolt, and a longer bolt, longer washer for the back to make it sit kind of flush.